This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Phelps. This charming villa is move-in ready. BeachWalk by Manasota Key is a maintenance-free gated community with no CDD fees. Beachgoers will appreciate the 2.3-mile trip to Manasota Key Beach, a hidden gem of a beach accessible within minutes from the front gate. Or enjoy the expansive amenity campus that will include a heated saltwater resort-style pool with lap lanes, a clubhouse, indoor and outdoor dining options, an 11,000 square feet fitness center, a coffee/smoothie cafe, 21 sport courts to include bocce ball, pickle ball, and tennis, a lakeside boardwalk, gazebo and kayak launch, fire pits and event lawn, a dog park and a community garden. By the end of the year, the fitness center, the cafe, the pool and the sports courts will be open for residents to enjoy, all for the low HOA fee of $312 per month. The location of this villa is very convenient to the amenity campus, a quick walk or bike ride. Be sure to watch the video link 2 of the amenity campus in progress. This 2-bedroom with a den, 2-bath home has been lightly lived in for 1 year. The kitchen has 42 inches cabinets with crown molding, a breakfast bar, neutral granite counters and tiled backsplash. It is a natural gas community. All windows are covered with stylish plantation shutters. Tile flooring runs through the kitchen, the living room/dining room and the owner's suite. Carpet is in the den and second bedroom. The owner's suite includes a large walk-in closet and reach-in closet. The owner's bath includes dual sinks and a frameless glass enclosed shower. Sliding glass doors open to the screened inland eye. Make this your winter retreat from the cold and snow, or your full-time Florida beach walk home. Furnishings not included. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Phelps at 941-726-2227.